Welcome to TinkerSpace. So today let's make fast spinning game. Here we use IR proximity sensor as input and LCD display as output, and also a TinkerSpace Brain Board which monitors the input and controls the output. We also use connecting wires and power module. Now let's connect the components. Here we connected IR proximity sensor to input 1 and display LCD display to display port. Now we have connected all the components, so now let's do coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Here, choose a Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here, I added IR proximity sensor as input, and for the display, we will do the coding in the code space. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only. Click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor off, in the counter 1, click on Increment by 1. Now click on Save Settings. In the custom message, in the string message 1, type number of spin. After typing, click on Save Settings. Now in the display, in the layer 1, click on Add Custom Message 1. And in the layer 2, click on Display C1. Here, C1 considered as counter 1. Now click on Save Settings. In the input 1 sensor on, in the custom message, in the string message 1, type number of spin. After typing, click on Save Settings. In the display section, in the layer 1, select Add Custom Message 1, and in the layer 2, select Display C1. Now save the settings. Here, the fast spinning game coding is done. So now click on Save Code. The code has been saved successfully. Now, in the fast spinning game, there will be a wheel, like we need to spin the wheel, and how much that we spin, it will show in the display as count. And here, in the input 1 sensor off, means the sensor is not detecting anything. That means at the back of the wheel, there is a black colored tape that we added, and in the IR proximity sensor, the IR cannot sense the black color because the black color absorbs the light, so that it considers that object that it's not detecting. And here we added counter as +1, means whenever the black tape has been detected by the IR proximity sensor, it will show increment by 1. So in the display, in the counter, in the layer 2 counter, it will increment the count whenever the IR proximity sensor will detect the black color tape. And in custom message, we added number of spin, so that in the display, in the layer 1, it will show the number of spin. And in the second layer, it will show the counter, means how much we spin the wheel, the count will show in the layer 2. In the input 1 sensor on, means the IR proximity sensor is detecting an object, means IR proximity can detect any object except it is in black color. So this is how the entire coding will work. So now after saving the code, click on the menu and select upload code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to TinkerSpace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now we have uploaded the code. Now let's just start project. Now we have tested our project. Now let's implement it in our model. Here we finish the model of our project. Here we fix the LCD display. Here we fix the IR proximity sensor. The IR proximity sensor will count the number of spins and the LCD display will display the number of spins. Now let's read demo.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like it? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected.